Welcome to Catherine the Paint. Today we are going to do the bloom technique. Multiple blooms on this little 7x14 canvas. I have it on my spinner and I'm excited to do some fall inspiration blooms. So I have already put my base paint down. All the materials are listed below, but I will go over the colors as I use them. I'm going to do multiple blooms and then we're going to spin it out. So please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you won't miss anything of my upcoming videos. I would really appreciate it. It helps my channel so much for you to go ahead and subscribe. And let's get started. So let's see. I think I'm going to start with the green. This green is an Arteza pearl green that was really light and I didn't like it. So I just added some Arteza Phthalo green to it. Okay, hold on just a second. Alright, sorry about that. TV was really kind of loud, so. And I kind of want this bloom a little bit more this way. So my daughter's listening to the TV, so I go shut her door. We need quiet to concentrate, right? Alright, how about, I'm going to put some gold down. This is actually Arteza's gold with primary elements sunflower also. And then this is primary elements persimmon. Putting quite a bit of paint in each bloom because I want it to be kind of big. And then we're going to do some smaller little blooms too that are going to be like more like leaves. Maybe, I don't know. Whatever they're perceived as. All right, actually this is the primary element sunflower with a little bit of Liquitex gold yellow in it. So a little bit of that. Okay. And we're going to top it off with just a little bit of copper. Liquitex Basics copper. And then that's all the colors that we will be using today, except for the cell activator is Amsterdam Oxide Black. All right, so that's our main blooms. Now I want to do just some smaller ones. With less color. They may go completely off, which is fine. All right. And use the copper. Use the persimmon on this one. And then the sunflower with the gold in it on this one. I think that's it. All right, so now we need to put our cell activator, which is the Amsterdam Oxide Black, floetrol, and a little bit of the Minwax Pre-Wood Conditioner. All right, just gonna go ahead and put the cell activator in these three, blow it out, and then do more. So I've got to pick this up. So this might not be on camera. Sorry, I'm gonna do my best. Yeah, I'm having a hard time reaching it. That's not good. All right. All right, there's those two. There's the third one. With this big box, because if the canvas is more than 10 inches, then I have to use this box. It makes it really hard to reach it. All right. And keep it in the camera view, sorry. Whoa, okay, went a little crazy there. All right. It's getting a little cuckoo up in here. So anyway, you're trying to blow the black cell activator gently over the colors so that they interact there and get some cells going. So we've got two more little spots to do, and then we will let it rest for a minute, and then we will blow it out. I mean, spin it out. We already blowed it out. I'm getting a little dizzy. I'm not making sense anymore. Okay. Well, I am getting this all in my hair. This is crazy. But I'm liking the patterns. So I'm gonna let this rise back up to the top. It will take a couple more minutes. The first ones are already good, but that one's still down. These are still down. So yeah, at least 2 more minutes. I'll be right back. All right, let's spin it out a bit. There we go. This cardboard was in its way. Could not flow good. Let's go back the other way. So what do we think? Do we need another one right here? Maybe a little bit right there? Yeah, somehow it retracted from the canvas and it is not completely covered right there on the edges. Interesting. I don't know. for some reason, there is not enough of the white paint, like on the edges. I don't know why that is, because I did not put white paint on the sides. Didn't think it needed it. Thought it would go over and then it would cover it. But yeah, don't change on that. Note to self. Be sure you cover the sides. I just always have. But then I thought, well, we're losing so much paint, then that should be fine. It should be fine. It is not fine. So do not be like me. And while we're at it, we'll just clean up those little tendrils. Then we'll just give it another spin real quick. And we'll be done, I think. I don't think it needs more. All right, so I guess I have not been wasting as much paint as I think by just doing the sides and then it goes over the sides, because your painting is worth a little bit of extra paint. Okay. All right, let's spin it. Just to smooth this out a little. All right. I think it's done. I think it's good. I like the composition. I like the negative space. All right, guys, let me know what you think. And I will actually bring you in for a close-up so you can see all these colors looking pretty. So I guess it's a little much green for fall. It was supposed to be fall inspired. You can let me know if you think it's fall, if I should use less green. It's kind of like fall in Texas because we get a little bit of color and then we get mostly green. So probably like it's not a New England fall for sure, but you know. All right, let me bring you in for a close-up. All right, here is the lower right corner. The upper right corner. Upper left corner. Lower left. I am loving the movement in this one. Here's the middle. Here's that middle flower leaves thing. I'm really liking it. I am embracing the fall colors this year. I usually resist against it, but I am just feeling it. So I'm excited to do some more. How fun is that area? It's gorgeous. All right. You know, I haven't been doing many blooms lately. I've done mostly like the drizzle, spin, swipe thing, but I don't know. Really liking this one. You guys, let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.